Hello everyone. Today we will study about menstruation, sexual cycles in female, what are periods, why do girls have periods, and what are the different problems associated with periods. Also we will discuss about ovulation, menopause and menarche. वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो. जब गर्ल पैदा होती है तो उस टाइम बहुत सारे इमेच्योर ओवरीज ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट होते हैं गर्ल की बॉडी के अंदर इनसाइड द गर्ल्स बॉडी विच आर कंटेन्ड इन द इमेच्योर फॉलिकल्स. बट जब गर्ल मैच्योर होती है व्हेन अ गर्ल रीचेस एट द एज ऑफ प्यूबर्टी around 12 to 13 years, then the girl's body start getting mature to form ovum, that is called egg. On maturing, the female body starts producing ovum. इस process को हम बोलते हैं ovulation. The release of ovum or egg from the ovary is called ovulation. We have already studied the female reproductive system. If you haven't watched that video, then I will give the link in the description box. You can go through that video so that it will give you a clear idea about how does reproduction takes place. Next we will study about the time period. Menstruation cycle usually lasts for 28 days and the ovulation takes place on the 14th day in between 28 days. This means that the ovulation takes place in the middle of menstrual cycle, that is on the 14th day. Now before ovulation से पहले the inner lining of the uterus becomes thick and soft with a lot of blood capillaries so as to prepare for the zygote which gradually develops into an embryo. जैसा कि हमको पता है कि ड्यूरिंग फर्टिलाइजेशन जब फर्टिलाइजेशन होती है then the sperm and the ovum they fuse together, they combine together to form zygote and the zygote gradually develops to form an embryo. Then the uterus has to keep this fertilized ovum for the further development and supply of food and oxygen ताकि बेबी अच्छी तरीके से ग्रो हो पाए. बट अगर फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस नहीं हो पाता, इफ़ द स्पर्म इज़ नॉट अवेलेबल then the fertilization does not take place. उस केस में जो इनर लाइनिंग होती है ऑफ ब्लड कैपिलरीज इट ग्रेजुअली ब्रेक्स, डिसइंटीग्रेट एंड द ब्लीडिंग स्टार्ट. ब्लीडिंग स्टार्ट हो जाती है और बहुत सारा खून बहता है. द अनफर्टिलाइज्ड ओवम और द एग डाइज आउट विद इन अ डे एंड द यूटेरस लाइनिंग ऑल्सो ब्रेक्स डाउन. This blood and other tissues comes out of the vagina in the form of bleeding. Okay, so let us summarize the whole process of menstruation and understand it step by step. So menstruation process तब होता है जब ओवम और स्पर्म आपस में फ्यूज नहीं हो पाते और फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस नहीं होता at the time of ovulation due to the non-availability of sperm, and it occurs again and again after a fixed period of 28 days to 30 days. तो एक फिक्स पीरियड के लिए होता है that is around 28 days to 30 days. So it is known as menstrual cycle. इस साइकिल को हम बोलते हैं menstrual cycle. Menstruation occurs every 28 days because ovulation, that is the release of ovum or egg by ovary, occurs every 28 days. Menstruation is also called periods. So ये जो sexual cycle होती है in females और women, इसी को हम menstruation कहते हैं या menstrual cycle बोलते हैं. When the girl reaches around 10 to 12 years, then the sex hormones released into her blood. Then the ovaries release ovum when it gets mature. In every 28 days, one mature ovum is released from ovary into the oviduct. This is called ovulation. Before ovulation, the inner lining of the uterus becomes thick and spongy and full of blood vessels and prepares itself to receive the fertilized egg or ovum. Now, in case the fertilization does not take place, then the thick and the soft inner lining of the uterus is no longer needed, so it breaks. Now, this breakage leads to bleeding, and this process is called menstruation. Menstruation usually occurs 14 days after ovulation and usually lasts for about 3 to 5 days. After menstruation is over, the inner lining of the uterus starts building up again so that it is ready to receive the next ovum in case it gets fertilized. So ये cycle repeat होती रहती है, ये process बार बार repeat होता रहता है. Again, if the ovum does not get fertilized, even now the menstruation takes place again. The menstrual cycle is controlled by hormones. Menstruation stops temporarily when the ovum or egg gets fertilized and the woman gets pregnant. तो जब वुमेन प्रेग्नेंट हो जाती है तो ये जो प्रोसेस होता है ये रुक जाता है. द साइकिल स्टॉप्स. नाउ वी विल स्टडी अबाउट मेनार्की एंड मेनोपॉज. व्हाट इज मेनार्की? द फर्स्ट मेंस्ट्रुएशन बिगिंस एट प्यूबर्टी व्हेन द गर्ल इज अराउंड 10 to 12 years ऑफ एज. तो ये जो फर्स्ट साइकिल होती है The first occurrence of menstruation or periods, it begins at puberty. इस process को हम बोलते हैं menarche. Menarche is the beginning of the reproductive cycle of girls. In other words, we can say that menarche is the time when a girl becomes capable of having a baby. Next, we will study about menopause. So, pause means to stop. Menopause is the stoppage of menstruation. Permanent stoppage of menstruation when a woman loses her ability to bear child. जब woman फिर से pregnant नहीं हो सकती, जब woman aged हो जाती है, she becomes infertile. The permanent stoppage of menstruation or periods in a woman is called menopause. ये कब होता है? Menopause usually occurs in women at the age of 45 to 50 years. तो जब वुमेन 45 से 50 ईयर्स तक की हो जाती है तो ये जो साइकिल है ये स्टॉप हो जाती है. दिस प्रोसेस स्टॉप्स द वुमेन स्टॉप्स ओवुलेटिंग एट मेनोपॉज एंड कैन नो लॉन्गर बिकम्स प्रेग्नेंट. अब वो प्रेग्नेंट नहीं हो सकती. मेनोपॉज इज द एंड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्टिव लाइफ ऑफ अ वुमेन. So now we can say that the reproductive life of a woman starts at menarche and ends at menopause. I hope you like this video. If you still have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you everyone.